Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book a hotel on Expedia using the Book Now and Pay Later option. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and Expedia deals of 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a popular online platform that lets you book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages all in one place. One of its best features is Book Now and Pay Later, which allows you to reserve your hotel immediately without paying upfront, giving you flexibility and peace of mind before your trip. First, go to the Expedia website on your browser. Next, search for the country or city where you are planning to travel. Then, select your check-in and check-out dates. Choose the dates carefully based on your travel plans. After that, select the number of travelers, including adults and children, to make sure the hotel rooms are suitable for your group. Now, click on Search. You will see a wide range of hotel options. Scroll through the list to check the prices, hotel ratings, and amenities. Click on any hotel to see more details. Here, you can select the check-in and check-out time that works best for you. You will also see the hotel amenities, such as buffet breakfast available, international cuisine restaurants, self-parking, free Wi-Fi, cribs and infant beds, and a bar or lounge. Next, choose your room dates again and double-check the number of travelers. Check the price details carefully, including any taxes or fees. You can also compare different room types to see which one suits your needs. Scroll down to view different room options, such as twin guest room, executive room with 2 beds, non-smoking rooms, or rooms with a view. Finally, select the Book Now and Pay Later option to reserve your room without paying immediately. Expedia will hold your reservation, giving you time to confirm your travel plans before making the payment. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.